As alluded to in my 2 queen bed room tour that I previously done on my channel, here is now the full hotel tour at the Hampton Inn in Grand Rapids, Michigan. We're going to start off by showing you all of the main facilities and then finish it off with what is included in the complimentary breakfast. There is plenty of parking on site and it is all free, so don't have to worry about paying a per night fee to have a vehicle placed here. Entering through the front door, you can see there's some luggage trolleys there if you need to use that. And then you're first greeted with their snack and quick beverage options, which of course you do need to pay for. As you can imagine, these are obviously going to be more expensive than their grocery counterparts, but if you're just in a pinch and you just want a snack or beverage on site, here are the options for you. And then over there is the check-in counter. And just to the right of that is the bathrooms, water fountain, a map of where you are in Michigan. And then over a little bit further, this is available 24/7, is some coffee. There's light roast, dark roast, decaf, and hot water if you need for tea or hot chocolate. And here are your tea options. There's a good mix of decaf. You can see all the basically all the flavored ones are decaf. Green tea and black tea obviously have caffeine. A couple other just regular tea, probably just black tea, and also decaf. Plus all the necessary condiments in containers. And you can enjoy your beverage and also your breakfast right here in the open seating area. There's plenty of places to sit down or get work done, and some even have some outlets built right in to plug in your laptop. And I also spy a high chair that's pretty convenient if you have young children, and also a printer right here. But in addition to this printer, there's another one in their dedicated business center, which you can also use their computers if you needed to. It's open 24/7, but you do obviously need your key card in order to access the room. It's not a big room. It makes it look bigger with a big mirror in the back, but there are a total of 2 computers, Windows machines, and then there's one single printer here in the middle, and there are dedicated waste bins too, plus a paper shredder and some organizers. Also on the first floor is the laundry facilities. This is only open from 6 a.m. to midnight, which I think is perfectly adequate, probably because of the noise, but you do need to utilize your key card in order to enter. It's still fed by quarters. It takes $1.75 to run the washer, same amount to run the dryer. There's a total of 2 dryers and 2 washers here, and then there is a folding station in the back. And if you do need to buy some packets of detergent, bleach, or softener, there are some packets that you can buy at 75 cents a piece. Also on the first floor, you can find some vending machines, ice machine, which are available on every floor of this hotel, and there are a total of 4 floors. But right here is actually where the pool is, and it's open 9 a.m. to 10 p.m. If you try to enter outside of those hours, it's going to reject your card key. But during the regular hours, this is what you can expect. When I went, there was pretty much nobody there, but there are plenty of tables and chairs all around. You can pick up and drop off your dirty towels right here in these bins. Here's a look at the pool. It has step down entry. It only goes as deep as 5 feet, so there's no diving allowed. And as you notice, there's no lifeguard on duty either. There are still some life rings on the wall if needed. But you can see in the corner there, they even have a whirlpool that you can activate. There is a single occupancy restroom in the back here. No shower though, but if you did need to go, at least you don't have to go in the pool. And speaking of the pool, I did swim here while I was there since I am an avid swimmer. And if you haven't noticed already, the water looks really milky, and that's actually because the entire lining of the pool is painted a light blue color. So it was really hard to see once you're in the water where the floor is and also where the wall is. Definitely a very poor design choice. You should never paint your pool bottom blue. And I also wish that the pool could open earlier, like 6 a.m., so that I could get a swim in before I had to go to work or something. But if swimming's not your thing, fear not. They also have a fitness center that is open 6 a.m. to midnight. You again need to use your hotel card key to access. As you can see, it's a nice size hotel gym with good cardio equipment, strength equipment, free weights, benches, you name it. Towards the entrance, you'll find the water dispenser, trash can, sanitation, towels, as well as a remote to control the TV. Then for the equipment, you have 2 treadmills, 1 Peloton bike, an elliptical, a bench, cable station, a rack of dumbbells, which have a range from 2 pounds up to I think 50 pounds. Kind of hard to say since it seems like they're missing quite a few. But they also have a single yoga mat there in the corner and also a single dumbbell. And looks like they're missing the yoga ball, but there are some medicine balls on the rack there. And there's that TV. And one more bike in the more reclined position right here. Now let's wrap up with their complimentary breakfast, which is served from 6 to 9 a.m. or 7 to 10 a.m. on the weekends. When I was there, they had one selection of waffle batter. There was only one station for the waffle maker, but it makes 4 small waffles at a time. And you can see there are plenty of condiments or toppings you can place on top of your waffle. For more carbs, there's quite a selection of things in their bakery, like muffins, bread, bagels, and if you wanted to, you can toast them in the toaster oven right next to it. Moving along now is your hot goods. You have oatmeal and a few toppings to go along with that, plus the hot breakfast items, which does change every day. Today I had scrambled eggs in the chicken sausage, but then another day I had cheese omelet and pork sausage. And then here is what's in the fridge: some milk, yogurt, and also butter. And then there's a limited selection of fresh fruit and apples and bananas, some hard-boiled eggs, a few cereal options, and then some juice. And don't forget, out near the check-in area, there's tea and coffee if you do still need that. So that's everything you can expect from this Hampton Inn in Grand Rapids, Michigan. Again, if you're interested in the room tour that I already did, make sure you check out my channel. Subscribe for more travel videos like this. Thank you for watching.